Sorry, man. Hey YouTube, it's day 3 at Goodwood Festival of Speed. We're just getting geared up on the bikes. So hey Lisa, we're about to take these things out on the track. I'm going to give you guys a bit of an inside look on what happens behind the scenes today. Let's go.
There was an enormous amount of pressure coming from the other.
Between 9 and 10 every morning, we check in with the marshals and get rounded up for our ride up the hill. Crowded by the path to check out the bikes and cars in our group as we made our way down towards the track. Once we got down there, we could chill out for a bit on the grid while the last group was finishing up, taking off. It was a good opportunity to get really up and close to the other cars and bikes. We had like Dakar buggies, a bunch of Singer Porsches in the group before us, and then one day we had a heap of the vintage GP bikes running before us so we could get up on the grid, check them out as they were taking off. Right, so we just finished our first run up the hill. Get up to this driver's club, you grab yourself a drink or whatever, but the best part is watching all these bikes roll in. This is my new mate Wilco from the Netherlands. Say hey buddy. Hey man. He's another Royal Enfield custom builder. Let's go check out his bike. This is Wilco's machine, built off the RE650, pretty gnarly thing. Good to see an original style too, so sick. Check out this thing at his Instagram by Will Colander, it's epic. Say hey, Matty.
Good, mate. How you doing?
Good, buddy.
Had a good run?
Yeah, it's always good fun.
Yeah.
This Benny from Diamond Atelier in Munich. Pretty wild machines. Like, these guys just released a new bike here this weekend. Make sure you go check it out. After our morning run up the hill, we'd chill out at the top for a little bit, and then we'd have a few hours in between to check out the exhibits, watch whatever insane machines I was sending up the track at the time. By far, my favourite paddock to check out was the antique race cars. Real pre-war stuff, super old, really speaks to my style and the era that grabs my interest the most. I spent a lot of time here.
So this afternoon I'm giving my ride away, letting one of the Royal Enfield techs take it up the hill. So just down in the paddock at the moment, ready to get onto the grid. I'll build some of the stuff that's going on down here. It's insane.
After the Arvo run, it was beer o'clock most days. Come chill out, pack up the gear and hang with the team before we get ready to go again tomorrow. Goodwood was an incredible experience, a huge bucket list item for me. I'd say if you have the means, go and check it out. Just get over there, however you can do it, go see it for yourself. The vibes are high, the event has something for every red-blooded enthusiast, and a huge shout out to Royal Enfield for taking me over there, riding and displaying our work.